Hello friends, Pigstitch brings you an interesting way to use up leftover yarn. Choose any two-color yarn, a crochet needle, and a small tool we are going to make a flower. Here on left hand side is handmade tool and on right hand side the tool available in market. We'll be using packaging foam and a paper. Here it is a ready-made tool with the help of which we can make these flowers. The same we are going. Take a piece of packaging foam, draw 12 equal sections of 5 cm dia circle on a piece of paper, cut and paste it on packaging foam, remove extra portion, insert 12 drawing pins on edges. We will be using it for making a flower. Here you can see the sample flowers. Now take a yarn and start winding yarn on diagonally opposite pins. Wind it twice on each pair. After completing, tie both ends. And with the help of sewing needle, knot all the petals. Finish it off by tying knot and cutting the extra yarn. Remove some pins from the wheel. And now take out the flower carefully without damaging the structure. Once flower is complete, using crochet, we will make edges. Join the yarn. Six chains. Join on second petal. Again 6 chains, join on next petal. Likewise, we'll do it for entire flower. Now see how to join two flowers with crochet chain. We'll make 3 chain, join with the help of slip stitch, again 3 chain, and join to next petal. Beautiful pattern is ready. You can apply on any project, beautiful table mats or cushion covers, the way you want. Thank you for watching. Subscribe for more.